Oh, we have another fancy big Victorinox Special Edition box. This time, as you can see from the label, it's the Swiss Spirit Limited Edition 2022. This is a relatively newer series from Victorinox. It started in 2019. They've done a few different models. Explorer. This is a going to be a Cadet. They've done a Climber. They even done a Delmont Evolution. So this is so it started in 2019. So this is the fourth model in the series, and we'll open it up right now. From the press release, it says it's an adventurous, enduring, impressive. Meet the standout pocket knife with all the finest Swiss qualities, depicting Switzerland's famous sights in a modern monochromatic design. The Cadet Swiss Spirit has a really tight sleeve here that doesn't want to slide off nicely. There we go. The Cadet Swiss Spirit 2022 is an exclusive limited edition and a perfect gift for collectors. Perfect gift or collector's item. And it's got a insert here. So yeah, I was reading from the press release, but yes, it's limited to just 12,000 pocket knives, inspired by famous sites of Switzerland. The design of the pocket knife shows some legendary spots and fine 3D black haptic lines on the white background. From Lucerne's Gapelbrook to Geneva's Jet d'Eau. French isn't my specialty. From the Sphinx Observatory at the top of Europe or the Grossmünster in Zurich. They all are dedicated to Swiss Spirit 2022. This special pocket knife is dedicated to the beautiful sights of Switzerland. Carry it with you. It's a unique urban piece of Swissness. So, we have that. They, like I said, it does have the haptic print. I showed this off on the VSAC video, and so you can notice the raised texturing here. And run your nail over it. Feels really nice in the hand. So yes, you have the Lake Lucerne. You have, I'm assuming that's a church. You have different buildings. I'm assuming that's an observatory. That looks a lot like an observatory. Now, you're going to say, it's a Cadet. Why is it in Celador? Well, this is the first time a Cadet has been made like this. And it does have the nail file. It is not a recruit. Somewhere we got the can opener, bottle opener. No back tools, so just like a recruit, same great size and everything, but this is actually a Cadet, and you still have, this actually has the black tweezers and the black toothpick. So these the scale tools you can now order in different colors, like black, red, blue, green. I've seen them in. So you can order those from your the Victorinox website, or if you have a favorite dealer, they can get them in there. And so, but yes, this is this Swiss Spirit. I was told that when I was speaking to my dealer, that even though this is Celador with the haptic scales, that it's actually has a different construction than normal Celador Swiss Army knives. They normally have a bushing. I'm actually surprised I don't have one without a scale just hanging about. But they normally have a brass bushing on there that shows. I got one right here. They normally have a brass bushing with a little lip on it to lock the scale in. So I was told this was constructed differently, when you see the wood models, they actually aren't, they are constructed differently as well. They are normally riveted right to the liner, and then the scales are glued on. Yeah, so I haven't pulled the scales. I don't think I will, to verify the difference in construction, but just a little more extra knowledge. If you're still interested in ordering them, they are on the Victorinox website. You can also, I order all my stuff from Bow and Oak Knives. I'll include a link on the Facebook page. And until next time, have a great day, and look forward to seeing the next special edition or just next Swiss Army knife that pops up on the page. Have a great day.